All right, in this video I'm going over the test review questions for exploring the Titanic. Number 1, describe how Dr. Ballard and his crew were able to explore the Titanic. What tools and equipment do they use? So, what tools do they use to get out to the where the Titanic sank? What tools and machines did they use to dive down to get down to the Titanic? What tools or equipment did they use to explore inside the Titanic? So you need to make sure you include all of those details, okay, to describe exactly what was being used and what they used it for. Okay, number 2, at different points in his autobiography, Dr. Ballard imagines what life would have been like on the Titanic before it sank. Describe 2 moments from the text that he imagines. So I'm going to pause the video, I'm going to look through, and I'm going to give you some ideas of where to look. Okay, there are a lot of different parts where Dr. Ballard imagines what it would have been like. There's a good one on page 584 that describe where he kind of reminisces. He's thinking back to the actual Titanic and what it must have been like. And then on page 590 and 591, there's some more examples. But again, you only need 2, but I gave you some pages that you could look for to find those descriptions where he's in his mind imagining being back on the Titanic and what must have been taking place on the actual Titanic as they look through the old wreckage of the Titanic. Okay, number 3, why do you think Dr. Ballard wanted to explore the remains of the Titanic? Support your answer with examples from this autobiography. So why did he want to explore it? That's what you need to decide. And then how do you know that's the reason he wanted to explore it? What does he say in the text? And reference it. Cite your evidence. What page and what paragraph does he say something where you can say, look, see right here, he says this, which proves that my reason for him wanting to explore the Titanic is correct. Okay, so you need the reason why you think he wanted to explore it, and then you need to find the evidence in the text to say, yeah, on page 5, whatever it may be, in this paragraph, he said this, and that proves, in my opinion, that proves that that's the reason he wanted to explore the Titanic. Okay, so that's your job to find that information, but now you know exactly what you need to find, and so you need to do some close reading of the text to find that information. Why did he want to explore it? And then evidence that supports what you think his reasoning was. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.